Guys, it's Imran from Artintech. Today I'm going to show you how to create a customer profile, add a customer or edit a customer in Prospect software. So we'll go in settings and then we will go in customers. And as you can see, we have multiple customers already updating the system over here. And we can always click on these customers to edit them. If we want to edit any of the information, or we have to swap, we have to change any information, we can do that over here. So I will show you how to create a new customer. So for that, you have to, there is a button over here. Press that. We have this will open. We have to start adding the information over here. So first we will start with customer name. It will be John. So first we have to add the customer company name, which could be person name and contact number. We can add what number we want here, and then email of the person. Email of the customer, and then we can add the address. Billing address. Memo could be anything. You can add whatever details you want to add. City, Toronto, then province. You can select the province from here. Ontario. So owner could be anyone, whoever owns the account. You can add a country here, postal code, information. It could be HST, GST. So as we select it, we will go with HST or GST. And you have payment terms. It could be 7 days due, 14 days due, immediately after sale. You can select any of the options, and first limit you can add from here or select, and that's the same information we have to add in the initial branch also. So that's how we add all the details. So we can add this, use the same information as mentioned over here. We can add a country here and just check. So you'll see the JC Tech customer profile is created over here, and you can always edit this information by hitting this sign and see the profile is open again, and now you can change whatever you want over here and press save. So that's how we create a company customer profile in Prospect software. Thank you.